Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Atom on a Windows 10 computer. This is the official website for Atom. So to begin, there is a download button here. Just click on it and that will begin the download. So that's the download here on the bottom left-hand corner of my screen. I'm going to wait for the download to complete. The download is now completed. That's the file here. I'm going to double click to begin the installation. The installation can take a while. So what happens, it just installs it in the background. So once it's finished installing, it will launch the application. So I'm going to give it a few minutes to complete, and then it automatically launches the text editor when the installation is complete. The installation has completed and the application has automatically launched. So this is what the interface looks like. So I'm just going to X out. This is the main interface for Atom. This is what it looks like. To exit, just click on the X here and that will exit out of the text editor. It also places an icon on your desktop that you can use to launch the application anytime you want. So that's it for this video. In this video, I showed you how to install Atom on a Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.